Hello, YouTube. Um, I'm going to talk a little bit about a couple tools that are cool to have for under $20 around your garage, especially if you're dealing with restoring tractors or whatever else. One thing I could say is I'm a big fan of, and I'm not a Harbor Freight fan, but I'm a fan of the half-inch drive stud extractor. Uh, Picked this up probably 10 years ago. This was my lifeblood when I restored the Ford 9N. I restored about 5 years ago. Half inch drive ratchet fits into it. It'll do a lot of different stuff, and you'd be surprised the power you could have at pulling something out. And again, you can pick this up for under 20 bucks. Another must-have I think that would be to have around any kind of shop you're building or your own stuff would be a set of Pittsburgh punches. You can stamp, metal punches. You can stamp your initials or numbers into your stuff, your metal parts. From a person that's worked in machine shops and repair shops for the last 12, 13, 14 years, it's a good idea when you take something into a shop, a machine shop, welding shop, wherever else, always to have your initials stamped into your item that you carry into the shop. You never know. I mean, a lot of shops do a lot of mass quantity of stuff, and they can get your item mixed up with another person's item, and you might have a better quality piece in the end. It's very important to do that. So those are good for under 20 bucks. Also, you can have a nice set of stamps to stamp your initials in. They do go in a few thousandths deep. Another good little set that I can say you can pick up for under 20 bucks, and I think I got this at like Kmart, maybe 7 or 8 years ago. And they've lasted me well. Is a good set of fowls. There's a lot of fowls out there, but there's nothing like having good fowls. The best fowls I know that you can get, I think, are the Nichols brand or whatever, like we use in industry. But they're a little bit pricey. But you can pick these up on sale sometimes for under 20 bucks, like Kmart or wherever. This set's excellent. Good handles. Cuts pretty well. I've actually, found stuff on the metal lathe with these, and they hold up real well. They're excellent for when you're trying to fix something in a hurry. Uh, I used to sharpen a lot of motor blades with a fowle. Today I primarily use a angle grinder, and I might run a fowle over them in the end just to kind of put the finishing touch on them. But it's a good fowle set, like I said, for under 20 bucks. I think there's a round fowle in there, there's a flat fowle, and a half moon fowle. Great for about any application you're going to have around your home or your property. Another good tool to get, I think, is a good scraper, gasket scraper. Uh, this one right here, again, I think I got it. I don't know where I got it. It says Craftsman on it. I probably got it at Kmart. It seems to be like where I bought a lot of tools at, Craftsman tools in the past. But I picked it up, sometime back, and it's good to have a good gasket scraper for cleaning surfaces. I used to race mod lights on the dirt track, and we used to have to change out the Toyota 8-bolt rear ends, and there was nothing worse than having to scrape gasket material. We had to use the high heat silicone material to seal the rear ends, and you have to change them things out every couple of weeks. Nothing like having a good scraper. They're also really, really, really handy to have around a farm shop or anywhere you're restoring an item. I can speak as restoring Ford 8Ns, Ford 9Ns, and they're full of an 8N, but I should say the 9Ns and the 2Ns. Uh, Good stud extractors, like I showed you right there, are a must-have, and also the stamps would probably be a must-have because some of them older Ford tractors, like you have to take let's say a head in or a block in to get remachined at a machine shop. It's good that you have your initials in